Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to fix a iPad error in which of course you'll see as the previous screen which I placed before this video where it says verification failed, an unknown error has occurred. So of course if you're having this problem with any iPad, as soon as you're trying to set up where it asks you to sign into your Apple account, and of course on trying to sign into your Apple account during the setup process, you find that you enter the password and you also enter the username, which of course is working and you're sure it's working and it's the correct password, but of course it's saying the error as we just described and I'm showing on screen. Now I'm going to show you what to do to get your device up and running. All right, so first of all, if you're getting this error, if you're one of those who are setting up your device, especially for the first time, or you have reset your device and are setting it up again, all right, so where it asks you to log into your Apple account on the setup screen, you're going to go ahead guys and you're going to say you have forgotten your password. So select the option that says you have forgotten your password. And of course, when you indicate that you have forgotten your password, go ahead and choose the option that says set up without actually logging in. And of course, by selecting that option to set up without logging in, as you can do that later, you'll set up later in terms of your Apple ID, the process will continue. And of course, you will be able to get into your device. All right, so once you get into your device and you have finished the setup process and you are here just as I am now, what you're going to do in order to solve the problem, if you go ahead and try to log into your account, it's going to have the same error. Now, the key thing here to do is to go ahead and update your device. So you're going to go to your settings. All right, guys, so you're going to go to your gear icon for settings. You're going to tap. All right, and that's after getting through the setup process of going through without logging in, as you're going to do it setup later. All right, so you're going to go to General. So if you're on any other tab, go to General. Then right under General here, you're going to see an option that says Software Update. So you're going to go ahead, guys, and you're going to tap Software Update. All right, and here the device is going to check for updates. Now, because it's a new device, it's most likely that the software on your device is outdated. And of course, mine is already updated. I'm just showing you where to find the update option. You can leave automatic updates on, but your device is going to check and it's going to update. Go ahead and update several times most of the time. So maybe you'll have to do this a few times. So keep on coming back to General Settings, General, and Updates until you get that as mine is here, iPad OS is up to date. So once you're up to date, you're going to go ahead, guys, and you're going to go to the option here that says, all right, so you're going to tap here that says, it might not say your user right away, but tap. And of course, you're going to go ahead and you're going to sign into your Apple account. All right, so once you sign into your account, Apple account, what's going to happen is that you're going to see your user profile and of course your name and so on, and it's going to sign in this time. All right, so the key was that the outdated operating system tends to give issues. So when you try to sign in during setup, when it's not fully updated, it causes problems. So the key is to actually update your system to the latest version of the operating system for your iPad, and that will solve the error. And of course, by deferring the setup process or deferring the sign-in during setup, actually helps you to go and do the update and fix the problem. All right, for some people as well, you might find that you are unable to connect to the internet. So of course, if for example you're unable to use your Wi-Fi, or your current Wi-Fi is not allowing you to update, go ahead, guys, and switch Wi-Fi network. So if you can get a secondary Wi-Fi network, you could also use your phone, and you can actually use it as a hotspot to share the internet between your iPad. That will also help as well in case you're unable to connect to the internet and effectively update. You can also try other stuff such as borrowing a friend's Wi-Fi or any other means to use another network to actually get your device to update. All right, So if that fails as well, remember to also restart your device. Sometimes after updates, or of course when you finish setting up or you're having errors, it's a good idea to reboot or restart your device. All right, so that's about 3 methods. If you follow those procedures, you'll be able to get rid of that error. And of course, it should be fixed on your iPad. All right, so if this was useful, please comment below. And as always, guys, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.